2019 Nissan Pathfinder. Customer complaint is check engine light is on and it's making rattling noise. We scanned the car and these are the codes we got. Random misfire and then B camshaft position timing over advance. And then the crankshaft position, camshaft position correlations bank 1, sensor B. Car has only 87,000 miles on it. This is because lack of maintenance. We'll show you what we found. So we went ahead and we took the timing cover off. This is what the pan looks like. You have to take the lower pan out in order to get the two bolts at the bottom of the timing cover. So this is what we got. All sludge right there. That's it? Okay. Second, the chain was so loose. This is what it caused. Damage the timing cover. As you can see, compared to this to that, and the marking and evidence of chain being loose is this. So let's go by the engine. Okay, so the timing cover is off, as you see. Let's see if I can let me zoom out. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. This is our primary timing chain right there, and look at this. See it? This is what causing chain to slap against that little bolt mount, and that's what causing it to rub it off. Same thing right over here. You see it? How much slack this is? So yeah, it's because not changing oil on time. That's what causes chains to overheat or stretch, and there's a lot of sludge in the motor too. I mean, it's unbelievable. Look at the valve cover. See it? You can see it right there. It's a lot of sludge. It's all over the motor. But yeah, if you get these codes and you get a rattling noise, look into that.